Hi, I'm Joseph. Today I will show you how to make very easy money with Cryptotab, how to mine Bitcoin with Cryptotab, and how to withdraw this Bitcoin to any Bitcoin wallet you have. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw this Bitcoin to my Coinbase Pro platform. Why Coinbase Pro? Coinbase Pro is an amazing platform from my point of view for sure. It has the lowest fees online. Now, if you don't have the Cryptotab platform or the Coinbase Pro, you can use the links below in the description to install these platforms. Now, before we proceed, I invite you to join my channel because I will be posting unique content, amazing content with proved and tested techniques from my side on how to make free money, free Bitcoin, how to create successful business, how to grow your business online. So let's now proceed with this video. Let's begin by opening the Cryptotab browser. The Cryptotab, if you don't have Cryptotab, you can download it from Google. Simply make a search on Cryptotab in Google and you can use the direct link. And from Google, you access the website. Okay, I will not allow it to send me notification. I will block it. And this is the website. This website is a great website for mining Bitcoin. You will see how I will transfer my Bitcoin from Cryptotab to Coinbase account, to my Coinbase account. First of all, let me download it for the people who doesn't have it. Let's download it from the website and install it. The installation is very simple process. Just you install it on your machine. Okay, it will not take long time. So in this video, you will see how withdraw our Bitcoin that we mined in this Cryptotab browser to the Coinbase Pro account. I have a Coinbase account and I will transfer my Bitcoin. You can transfer your Bitcoin to any website you want, to any wallet. Whatever the wallet is, you can transfer your Bitcoin from here to there. So few seconds and it will finish. It will show you that Cryptotab browser is 100% legit. It's not my first time that I withdraw Bitcoin from this website to my Coinbase account. It's my third time or fourth time, as I remember. I have an account. I have already an account. There is little Bitcoin in it. I will use it as a simple example, as a demo to withdraw it to Coinbase. Okay, and the installation finished and the browser opened. If you have an account with Cryptotab, you can log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create an account easily by signing up. I will just sign into my Cryptotab browser. I will change it from Greek to English. My email and password, my Gmail email and my Gmail password, and just next. Okay, I will confirm my login. So I will not allow any notification. I will block it. So this is my Cryptotab browser. I will access my dashboard account in Cryptotab, and this is my dashboard, 2071 Satoshi. I will try to withdraw it to my Coinbase account, this Satoshis. Now the values of the Satoshis, I think it's like €1, 5 cents, something like that. So let's try to withdraw it. We click on withdraw and we have to provide the Bitcoin address where we have to withdraw. It's a very simple process. I will get the Bitcoin address from my Coinbase. in order to withdraw the Bitcoin to Coinbase, I need to get the Bitcoin address from there. So I open my Coinbase account. I wait a little and I access to portfolio to deposit. In order to get the Bitcoin address, I need to click on deposit. Where is the deposit button? As I remember, yeah, this is it. And this is it. Crypto address. And I just copy this address and I go to the Cryptotab. In the Cryptotab, I just paste the Bitcoin address here and choose the amount. I will choose the maximum amount and withdraw. So this is the amount that I withdraw. Confirm withdrawal. So I will do all the confirmation from my email. I will do all this confirmation and I will return back to you. So now I finished the confirmation and I get this link on my email. I just confirm it and withdrawal confirmed. So it needs like 1 day, maximum 1 day to get the payment, to get the Bitcoin to my Coinbase account. For sure now nothing will arrive. We have to wait and we will see. So stay tuned with me. After waiting 2 days, the transfer was completed. Usually it takes less than 2 days, but it's okay with me. I'm happy my Bitcoin is arrived safely. And as you see here, this is the amount of Bitcoin that we already transferred. Okay, so I got an email from Cryptotab telling me that the withdrawal was processed successfully. This is the address and requested at November 1, and the completion was November 3. So it took 2 days approximately to finish the transfer. If we open the dashboard, we'll see the details of the transfer, and this is the blockchain info. If you click it, you will see the blockchain info, and this is the hash code. If you go to the Coinbase, to deposits, and you search for, and this is the quantity arrived, and this is the hash code. Let's be more sure. Yes, this is it. So this is the quantity. It arrived successfully.